Now, this is a type of snowflake I don't mind seeing outside or inside. It's from Qatar, and this is an 18-in-1 multi-tool keychain that is great to have on the go or around your home or office. It came as a 3-pack and it's 3 different colors, but this is also great for you to be able to use when camping, biking, or hiking. It's rust resistant and built really sturdy, and some of the ways that you can use it is as a wrench, a bottle opener, or a screwdriver. This is a great little tool to keep in your toolbox, in your backpack, or on your keychain. I got to test this out through a brand collaboration.